How to fix queued email not sending in Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to fix your queued email not sending issue on your Gmail account. If you're unable to send email because of some inconvenience in the device, then what you can do is, in order to solve it, make sure to stick with us till the end of this video and also check your internet connection. The first thing what you can do is you can open up your Gmail application. After that, you'll be taken to the home page or the chat page. So this is how the interface is going to look like once you open up your Gmail account. After that, tap on the try bar icon in the upper left corner of your screen, scroll down on the other half of your screen, and then click on settings. Now this is going to take you to the page where you'll be able to see the number of accounts that you have. So from here, you need to select the particular Gmail ID or the account that you wish to fix it. Page once again, scroll down a bit, head over to the section of data uses. Right over here, make sure that you have enabled sync Gmail, and this is gonna sync your Gmail and it might be able to fix the issue. Try doing the steps for several times and this might be able to fix the issue. However, this steps doesn't work. Apart from that, you can also clear your cache. For that, you need to go to your Gmail, or for that you need to long press on your Gmail application and then click on this app info icon. This is going to take you to the app info page. Over here, go to storage and cache. So clear cache as well as clear storage, and this is going to log you out of your Gmail account. Make sure that you know your credential. Now try doing this, and after you've done this, restart your device and you might be able to fix it. If none of these seems to be working, then you can just simply check for the update, or you can just uninstall the application. In order to check for an update, go to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Gmail. Instead of open, if you see update, which indicates that the app needs to be updated, and this might be able to fix the issue. However, if none of these seems to be working, you can simply uninstall your application. In order to uninstall the application, you need to do the same procedure, that is long press on it, go to your app info page, and over here you need to disable or. Now if your app is inbuilt, then you can just simply click on disable, or you can just tap on force stop and once again enable it. And so these were steps on how to fix queued email not sending in Gmail. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.